Yeah, hello everybody. We're just gonna try to export the drawing screen package from Asset Store into an iPad. So first you need to go File, and you're gonna see here Build Settings. You just go and select iOS. I'm just gonna select Build. So here you need to choose the location of the exporting of the package. So I'm just gonna choose this location under my project drawing Xcode and just gonna click save. Here you need to replace, and as you can see here we're trying to compile but we got an error, and this error is with screenshot explorer or exporter.c#. So you just click on this script, and here you can see we got something called camera flash, and we got the method called save. What I'm gonna do right there, I'm just gonna comment all the script. So here in iPhone, you just gonna go all this script. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna disable this on iPhone right now because we need to do some further enhancement on this script. So basically I'm just gonna comment these few lines and just gonna save this script. So here need to go save, minimize the motor editor and try to clean the logs. Here we get additional editor. It's on, let me just check it out. Alright, just gonna uncomment the entire method here. So, or let me just delete it right now. Just gonna delete it and just save the script. Try to go clean. We got the same error. It's on public static enumerator, so we need to return some sort of things. Let me just go save and try to clean it out. Yep, right now let me just try to build again. So I'm just gonna go File. We got a method called Build Settings. I'm just gonna click Build and choose the folder and create Save. Choose Replace. So we're trying to compile the script. Trying to build all the assets and things. Alright, so we go to the folder right now, go drawing Xcode, just gonna see the Xcode project over there. So basically just go to the Xcode project, just click on it and make sure you got an iPad connected to the device. So I'm just gonna bring out my iPad and connect it with my Mac laptop. Alright. Okay, we just got it connected. Alright, trying to open it. So here, talking about the iPad is connected. I don't want to import the images and things. Just gonna click cancel. And here we got Xcode. It's in the running mode. So here we got Xcode. You need to wait a little bit. Okay, and just gonna click trust this computer on the iPad. And here we are just building the project, and you can see it. So after indexing and copying the simple files and settings options, different settings options, this is gonna take a while. At that moment, make sure you don't have any errors in the Android console, in the Unity console here. So all the time, make sure there's no compilation errors. There's no such a thing related to compilation, because if you got any error, you're just gonna an error in the execution on iPad or on the compilation of Xcode. So this is very critical, guys. Anyway, so until that time, just gonna upload new video to YouTube and just offer new courses about my Udemy Unity 2D development. So I recommend everybody to take these courses, and you can get a good discount if you visit my website and go to coupon sections. We have discount coupons, and you can get up to 90% discount on our Udemy courses. So this is very awesome. All right. So I'm just gonna mention this. Make sure you have a valid iOS developer account and a valid Xcode copy. It should be up to date and compatible with your iOS Xcode version. What we're gonna do right now, after you just getting the Xcode up and running in your computer, and it's connected with your iOS developer account and developer profile, after this, you can basically, run the iOS application or the exported Unity project for your iOS machine or your iOS device. So here we're gonna see the Unity iPhone is ready. So I can select my project, and here you're gonna see here IBM iPad. So I can click on the run button here in order to test it out on my iPad. And this is gonna ask me to click allow to this kind of keychain. So I'm just gonna click allow, and this is basically the different settings attached to your application. I'm just gonna hit run, and here we need to fix some issues. So you can see there's no valid sign-in identities. So this is pretty much you have to care about. Alright, so in order to, we click fix, and here you need to enter your account details. So I'm just gonna choose my account and just resolve code and sign-in issues. And here you need to import your account already has a valid iOS development certificate. You need to import this developer profile. So I need to import it. Alright, let me just figure it out. All right. I just published a new article a few days ago about how to publish your game to Apple Store. So I recommend to you to just read this article. I'm just gonna follow and execute step by step with the screenshots how to get all the developer profiles and different things related to publishing to iOS. So pretty much I'm just gonna go here from the Xcode project and just gonna click fix issues, and here just gonna import developer profile, and just gonna go to download sections, and here we got iOS certificate screenshots and screenshots. I'm just gonna choose my developer profile and click open. Here they're gonna ask me to type the password of the developer profile, so I'm just gonna type my password. I'm just gonna click OK. Alright, what is your target? I'm just gonna choose iPad and try to run it again. As simple as that. So let me pause the video a little bit until we finish the build, the compilation. So if you go to the application here, we just got two notice. Apple, first one is save to gallery. We got a problem with save to gallery, and the other thing with related to in the Xcode path, we go to iPhone. We got a problem with the method name here. Go to up. We got a problem with something related to save to gallery. So in order to save this problem, you're gonna see here we got underscore save to gallery. So I need to go to my mono develop and find this method. So I'm just gonna go here, app, and right click and find in files. This method name is save. I'm just gonna find for every method name saved in the entire project. Alright, so here we got the method that we're talking about, save to gallery. We tested this method in Android, but to be honest with you, we didn't test it with iPhone. So what I'm gonna do right now, just gonna disable this method as we did for the previous method. Just gonna disable it out. So here we got a method save gallery. This is just a private boolean, and the method that we're talking about here is called save, which is gonna save the you know, the drawing. So here just gonna disable it again. Can comment it, or you can just remove the entire dependencies here. Alright, so this is for the iPhone. So I just want to disable this also. I don't want to use anything related to save to the gallery for this application right now. I want to disable this functionality, so I need to go Unity again and try to see the compiler. So here we console. We got additional error related to save, so we need to return null and save it. Go clear. Just compiling. Sounds good. I'm just gonna try run it again. This is the splash screen. Okay, this is one. So I'm just gonna try write something. Navigate to the next one, back. Alright. So let's see the save method's not gonna work because we disable it, but notice here we got an error because we are calling the taking screenshot method. So I'm just gonna disable this method here and just go back to Unity and try to clean the console. Alright. Try take another screenshot. We got additional error, so let me just go back here. It's on this line, but I disable it as I remember. And here they're gonna ask me Unity. Okay. Return all, that's okay. Screenshot. Yep, this is pretty much what I'm gonna do. And if you go here, just disable it. Try to run the project again after you save all the scripts. So make sure go here to Xcode to file and make sure this is saved. All right. Okay, let me choose one. Try go next. Go here. Try to take a screenshot. All right, sounds great. We don't have any errors. That is pretty much fine. So right now I can just go to, let me just close this Xcode project and try build another build for Unity. So I'm just gonna go here, Unity, I'm open it and build settings. Just gonna choose build. Just gonna replace my current folder, my current project. Alright, so the build was successful. I can go right now to the Unity project here in Xcode and just run the project again. Alright, so we got previously 2 errors, and pretty much we're gonna try to connect the iPad and just try to make another build. So just click the play button here and make sure the iPad is connected. It's gonna ask me again to the key change, so I'm just gonna allow it. And you're gonna see here build was succeed. So right now it's just gonna run the demo on my iPad so that I can test it. So just give me a few seconds in order to test this demo on my iPad. It's just gonna run smoothly there. I hope so. Alright, so here it's running on my iPad. I hope I can just record my screen, but just gonna test it out. You can just see the console here. In case we got any error, just gonna notice it. Alright, so we got a screen. This is the first screen. I can just write on it. I can choose different colors. I'm not sure you can hear the sound. But yep, I can play smoothly there. It worked just fine, guys. So this is pretty much the quick fix on iPad screens. So you're gonna disable the functionality of save screenshot and take screenshot right now. I hope we're gonna get time to fix it on iPhone devices, but for the near future, for the next months, I guess for the next month, I'm not gonna be able to fix this because I have a lot of things to do. But in the near future, we're gonna fix this feature, guys. But I hope the rest of the application just gonna be smooth and very easy to hiccup with. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful somehow. And thank you very much, especially for David for waiting for us to record this quick fix video. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in other videos.